Dear students, now we are going to see chapter 4 geometry. Example 4.21. The question is P and Q are the midpoints of the sides CA and CB respectively of a triangle ABC right angled at C. Prove that 4 into AQ squared plus BP squared equal to 5AB squared. Is it clear? Okay. See here what is given is P is the midpoint of the side CA. See here the here given ABC is a triangle. Okay. So ABC is a triangle right angled at C. So this is like this. A, B, C. This angle is right angle. Okay. ABC is a triangle right angled at C. Then P is the midpoint of side CA. This side. This is CA. So here you take P. P is the midpoint of this side. And Q is the midpoint of CB. This side. CB. So here midpoint is Q. Okay, is it clear? P is the midpoint of side CA and Q is the midpoint of side CB. This triangle is right angled at C. Okay. So here you have to prove 4 into AQ squared equal to 4 into AQ squared plus BP squared equal to 5 into AB squared. Okay. Join this by dotted lines and BP, join BP. Okay, now we are getting this triangle. First take this triangle AQC. Okay, this triangle only. This triangle. See, this is right angled. So, by Pythagoras theorem. What is the Pythagoras theorem? You will remember that one. The Pythagoras theorem is in a right angle triangle, the square on the hypotenuse is equal to sum of the square on the other two sides. Okay. Square on the hypotenuse is equal to sum of the square on the other two sides. So, in triangle AQC, in this triangle, okay, I draw the triangle separately. See. So, in triangle AQC, see it's like this A, C, Q. So, it's right angle. By Pythagoras theorem, square on the hypotenuse. See here, hypotenuse is this one. Okay, this longest side. So, AQ is the hypotenuse. So, AQ square. AQ squared equal to sum of the square on the other two sides. So, other two sides, one side is AC. So, write AC squared plus other side is QC. Okay, QC squared. Mark this as 1. Okay, from triangle AQQ, hypotenuse AQ squared equal to AC squared plus QC squared. Mark this as 1. Then take another triangle BPC. From another triangle BPC. See, this is, it's like this. Right angled at C, B, this one is P. Okay, so this is right angle, the BP, this is the hypotenuse, these two are other two sides. Again use Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse squared. So BP squared, hypotenuse squared equal to sum of the other two sides, BC square, this side plus this side, CP square. Okay, mark this as equation 2. Okay, now we get two equations. So now add 1 and 2, 1 plus 2. First equation, the left hand side is AQ square plus BP squared equal to, the right hand side is, okay, see here, add left hand side AQ squared plus BP squared, AQ squared plus BP squared equal to the right hand side AC squared plus CP squared. Okay, then see, add 4 on both sides. 4 into AQ squared plus BP squared equal to 4AC squared plus 4QC squared plus 4bc squared plus 4cp squared. Okay, see that second term 4qc squared. Take the second term 4qc squared. We can replace this one 4qc squared by 2qc the whole square. It can be written as 4 can be written as 2 squared. Okay, so 2qc whole squared. Similarly here 4 is there, no? So this can be written as 2cp the whole squared. Now see the diagram. QC, it's like this. B, C, C, here Q. So Q is the midpoint of BC. So replace this QC by BC. So 2QC, this is 1, this is another. So 2QC squared equal to BC squared. Then similarly 2CP squared. See, it's like this. A, C, P. P is midpoint. So 2CP, this one and this one, 2CP can be replaced by this full length AC squared. Okay. So this is what is given here. 2QC squared replaced by BC squared and 2PC squared replaced by AC squared. Now add. See, here already 4 AC squared, then here 1 AC squared. 4 plus 1, 5 AC squared. Similarly here 1 BC squared, here 4 BC squared. So 4 plus 1, 5. So 5 AC squared plus 5 BC squared. In two terms 5 is common. So take 5 outside. AC squared plus BC squared. That is equal to, see again, AC squared BC plus BC squared. From the triangle diagram, see our diagram is like this. ABC, C at right angle. So here AC squared this side plus BC squared. So sum of the two sides by Pythagoras theorem, that is equal to square on the hypotenuse. So replace this one by AB squared hypotenuse. So 5AB squared. Okay, that's we proved. What is given? 4AQ squared plus BP squared equal to 5AB squared. Thank you.